How to delete chats on GroupMe. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to delete the conversation or delete some of the chats that is on GroupMe, the steps are quite simple. First of all, update your application and launch it. Once launched, you have to make sure that you have your account ready. Once that is done, tap on the conversation from where you want to delete the messages. Once you have tapped on the conversation, you will see the group name which is on the top. Now you will just have to tap on it in order to go to the next page. Scroll down and you will see the option of settings, and here is everything you have for the account. Now under group actions you will see the option called as clear chat history. Tap on it and then tap on clear. This way all of the chats will be deleted within the group. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.